How to draw Doraemon? We'll begin following step. We'll put a circle, not finish the circle, we'll leave part of the circle incomplete. Next, we draw a line connecting the two improperly done circle points and putting a band. We're gonna add a circle here and a dot, extend a line above. That will be the bell. After that, we'll be putting two oval touching each other. So this will be the eye. Add to dot. After this, we're gonna connect this point to the eye. Similarly on this side. After you finish doing that, we'll put a nose just below the eyes and extend a line from the nose. Put a smile in Doraemon. Mustache. Extend the line. On the other side, similarly. And we'll proceed further by drawing another incomplete circle. And this 4-dimensional pocket. The upper end should be a bit darkened. Draw two lines parallel to each other, just adjacent to this circle, and two mini lines. Connect them. And we will complete the foot. Next step, draw two circles adjacent to the body and connect them to the body. Next step will be coloring. So we'll fill in the blue color top of the head. And similarly on the body. After this, we'll be putting the red color around the neck and the bell is yellow. Finally, the left part, the nose. Put a tiny circle and then fill in the remaining part. And that's how you got Doraemon.